Right guys, I have just done something stupid. Again. You know that feeling when you're scrolling through Copart at 2 AM just to see what's out there, but your finger slips and you click bid and you end up winning a Range Rover SVR? Yeah, I've done it. And the truth of the matter, I actually didn't believe I would win it, but here we are. Right behind me, I have the cheapest Range Rover SVR in the whole country. Here she is. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Robin, the new addition to the Bat fleet. She is looking superb. That is Batman, and here is the new addition, Robin. And together, I'm going to rebuild both of them into something spectacular. And I'm going to bring you guys along the journey, and we are going to convert them into the Bat fleet. And when these cars are complete, they will hold some serious presence on the road. I can't wait. This Range Rover came with all the top specs. I couldn't ask for anything better. Now, before I get onto all of the damage, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below, should I have bought this, or will this be the greatest mistake of my life? Let me know, because when you guys see what I've got myself into, you might not agree with me. When you buy cars like this, unseen, you are always gambling. Sometimes you might win big, sometimes you might just lose your mind. So here's the deal. Front passenger side has been hit. Bumper is completely gone. Auxiliary radiator missing. Coolant lights on, engine lights on. And to top it off, the previous owner clearly gave up before I even showed up. Oh, and I checked the parts list, and it's not cheap. We're talking thousands. But I'm not scared, because this is exactly what I love doing. Renovating cars to be back on the road and have my own fleet of supercars. I've already started on my Bentley Batmobile rebuild, and that's taught me one thing. You don't need a big garage or big money. You just need determination, a few tools, and the internet. I've just won a Range Rover SVR on Copart, and I'm shaking. I don't know if it's out of fear, if it's out of excitement, but I've won a Range Rover SVR. Estimated retail value, £24,957. I've won this for £15,600 with a total to pay of £17,007. I'm confident I can get it back running to its full capacity. But here's the thing, I bought it from Copart not knowing anything about mechanics. You see, my Bentley Continental GT, my pride and joy, has been absolutely rinsing me. Servicing, tyres, maintenance. It has just been a money pit. It's like it wants my entire paycheck. So I thought enough is enough. Time to take action. It's time to stop paying other people to fix my problems and start learning to do it myself. I want to learn everything. I want to learn how to fix it. I want to learn how to service it. I want to learn how to bring cars back from the dead. My dream is to build a proper James Bond garage. And I'm halfway along the way. I've got a Bentley Continental GT. Now I've just got this Range Rover SVR. In my own eyes, I would say I'm halfway there. But right now, what we've got ahead of us, Bentley Continental GT refurb, Range Rover SVR refurb. A big financial burden, but a very exciting time. I'm looking forward to it. Hope you guys are looking forward to it. What could possibly go wrong? So today is the day. The Range Rover SVR I bought from Copart is waiting in Stantoff. Now, it could be a disaster or it could be perfect. And you guys are coming along on the journey with me. Let's go. Packed everything I need, gloves, paperwork, camera. Now let's go and see exactly what we've got ourselves into. I'm looking forward to it, I'm nervous. we are here with the recovery guy. He actually picked up a car for me before when it got stolen in Manchester, so I do know the guy. He's a really nice guy. And we are heading up to Doncaster. It's gonna be around 1 hour, 50 minutes, and then we'll see exactly what we've got ourselves into. Just made it to Copart. We are here to pick up the Range Rover Sport SVR. I actually can't wait to see what it's like. No lights, no bumpers. This has been through some action. This is going to be something big project. I picked it up from Copart Stantoff. You can see the damage up close here, and yeah, it's worse than I thought. And honestly, the excitement turned into fear the second I saw it in person. You know, this thing used to cost £100,000 brand new. Supercharged V8. 550 horsepower, and now it's missing half its face. So she is secure, and honestly, I can't stop grinning. This project is gonna be something big, and this is why I do it. The thrill, the uncertainty, not knowing how it's gonna turn out. So let's go. We're heading back down to Birmingham, and we are gonna be 2 hours before we get back. I won this at auction for just £15,600, which makes it the cheapest SVR in the UK. But the damage, it's gonna cost me. So here we are, the delivery of the SVR. I have to say, this is looking unreal. There's more damage than what I thought, but this is going to be an amazing project. Front bumper, headlights, auxiliary radiator, body kit, paintwork, coolant and service parts. Got a full tank, that's £100 saved.
I have not a clue where to begin. But one thing is for certain, I will get this car back on the road, and all I can do is try.
She is secured, and honestly, just the uncertainty of not knowing how to fix cars. And I've just bought the cheapest Range Rover SVR. As you can see, she has seen better days. Now, I just need one question answered from you guys. If you could pick one thing to tackle first, what would it be? Would it be the bodywork? Would it be the interior? Let me know in the comment section down below. Here we have what is under the hood. As you can see, we are missing a headlight. So we need a headlight in this section here. What I have noticed as well, that we have a radiator pack that is needed on this side right here. We also need the bracket. This hose should go into the radiator, which would sit in the bracket right here. And then this hose, there should be another attachment that will go straight through into the top of the radiator. This will be the coolant radiators. That is why it's showing up on the dashboard that the coolant level is low, because as you can see, the coolant level should be between here where there's no coolant left. Everything else looks fairly good. It's a good job we have these brackets. These will hold up the bumper. This bracket right here is where the radiator sits in, and then you have this pipe will go into the radiator exactly how it should be on this side. That is the front end damage. We obviously have no bumper, we have no grille. The radiator fan looks all in good tact. Everything looks in good tact. It is a category N, meaning there is non-structural damage. So it was only panel work, which is good, especially for a first rebuild. We have some damage to this wing. There's a bit of marking, scratching there. This could potentially get restored. There's some scratch marks, dent mark on the door and on the rear door. All in all, this is cosmetic. That's a cool feature, how it comes out. So we've got back door, front wing, front headlight, coolant radiator, the bumper, the grille, and that's pretty much it. And also I've noticed there is some damage to these plastic trims. From the looks of it, I might be able to take these off without affecting the integrity of the door. We need a new wing mirror on this side. This completely needs changing. I've also noticed a bit of damage on the front door frame. Doesn't look that bad. Could almost get plastic welded. I mean, the interior, absolutely lovely. Look at that. 5 litre V8 SVR supercharged. And there we have it, the Range Rover SVR. Now, this is going to be bigger than anything I've ever done because I haven't done anything, but I'm looking forward to it. This is an absolutely stunning car, and the sound of it as well, unbelievable. Here is the mission. We're going to rebuild the Range Rover SVR, make it roadworthy again, do it on a budget, and then we can turn it into something unique, because I want this to stand out next to the Bentley. Robin has to look the part if he's rolling with Batman. So yeah, I've officially stretched myself out financially. But here's the thing. Every rebuild you've ever seen turn out amazing has started with a stupid decision. So I've got hope that these rebuilds will turn out amazing. I'm not doing this just for the car. I'm doing this to prove that you can chase a dream without £1 million. It's about learning, building, failing, and watching something come back to life. So from this point forward, you are all part of the journey. Batman and Robin, Range Rover and Bentley. 2 broken luxury cars, 2 massive rebuilds, but 1 crazy goal. We are going to rebuild them both together, get them back on the road, and then take them on some crazy European road trips, just like they were meant to be driven. I honestly cannot wait. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you would like to see from this YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next YouTube video. Bye. The car's battery is dead. We cannot lock the car. I am going to try and put some power to the battery. It is going to be bad news overnight.